Now that I've changed the permissions for sharing on my map, I want to be able to make sure that other people can find it. And I can do that with a QR code. So I'm going to make a QR code. The first thing we're going to do is come back to the share option. Click on this. And we can see my permissions have been set here. And this is the link that I want. I want to copy that. So I'm going to copy that link. And I can close this. I'm going to open up a new tab and paste that link into a new tab. There it is there. It's going to load up again. So it looks exactly the same, but you can see how it's zoomed in closer. It's easier to see the map pins. And then over here on the right hand side, I'm going to click on the ellipsis and I'm going to come down to save and share. And then right down the bottom here is create a QR code. I'm going to click on that. And Google now goes ahead and writes a QR code that has got all the information needed to get to this link here. And to save this QR code, all I need to do now is download it. Going to rename it so I know what it's called. So, QR code www.google.com is not good enough. So I'm going to call it and then it's saved in my downloads. And I just press enter and I've now renamed it. It makes it easier for me to find. And now I can print that off and I can put it anywhere else I want it to. So I can put that into another brochure, into another document, and people can access my map via that QR code.